In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects in Clipchamp efficiently and with ease. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide to enhancing your videos using this powerful tool. First, open your preferred web browser and go to clipchamp.com. This is where you'll be working your editing magic. Once you're there, if you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. If you're a returning user, simply click on the sign in button. For those using a Microsoft account, you can conveniently continue by clicking the option to sign in with Microsoft. After that, select your Microsoft account from the list or enter your login details to proceed. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the Clipchamp homepage. This is your hub for creating and managing video projects. Here you're going to click on Create a New Video. This action will take you into the video editor workspace where all the creative possibilities await. At this point, you need to bring in your media files. Click on Import Media to upload files from your computer that you want to include in your project. This could be video clips, audio files, or images you wish to use. Once you've imported your desired media, the next step is to integrate them into your timeline. You can do this by dragging and dropping each item onto the timeline below. The timeline is your canvas where you arrange the sequence of your clips. Now, with your media in place, it's time to explore the Effects tab. On the sidebar, find and click on the Effects icon. This is where you'll find an array of visual effects to enhance your video content. Take your time to browse through the catalogue of effects available. Once you've found an effect that suits your video's style, click on it. Each effect can be customized to suit your vision. A particularly useful feature is the ability to adjust the speed of the effects. This allows you to synchronize the effects with other elements of your video for a cohesive and polished result. Simply select the effect in the timeline and use the settings panel to modify the speed to your liking. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to add and customize effects in Clipchamp. We hope this guide helps streamline your editing process, enabling you to produce captivating and professional looking videos. Be sure to experiment with different effects and adjustments until you achieve your desired outcome. Enjoy your editing journey and happy creating in Clipchamp.